Easy, boys. Go ahead, send it. Send it.
What's going on, you guys, and welcome to today's video. I hope y'all are having an awesome day today. Real quick, before we get any further into today's video, I just want to tell you guys something that can make the quality of y'all's life a good significant amount better, you know, at least 2 or 3 times better. This thing that I'm talking about is actually a mobile game, but it's not just any mobile game, you guys. It's easily the best mobile game that's ever been developed. The game that I'm talking about is Raid Shadow Legends. They are sponsoring today's video, you guys. Now in this game, you can pick from over 600 different champions, all of them having their own unique fighting characteristics and their own history in the world of Terraria. Use my links in the description to download Raid yourself on your mobile phone or PC. The newest boss just released in Raid is the largest and craziest yet. This boss is a Hydra with 6 different heads, each head a boss battle on its own. One head that sticks out to me is the head of Torment. Sounds pretty terrible, right? It uses true fear to drag down your team, making you skip your turns and losing access to your skills. You guys, this head is just crazy. You'll have to bring champions that have Veil or perfect Veil skills if you want a chance against this head. Another head that's just terrible is the head of Suffering. Among a lot of other things, it's got a special new effect called Pain Link, which lets the head share some of the damage it takes with you. If you hurt this thing too much, you're going to suffer as well. And if you're not careful, this can take out your team quickly. You'll need to bring in some champions to take care of that Pain Link debuff if you want to keep all of the damage going in one direction against this head. What I love about this game is you'll never run out of things to do. You can play the awesome campaign, which has a great storyline. You can play online in player versus player arena battles, join clans with other players, and so much more. Another thing that I love about this game is the graphics. Every time that I get on, I'm just blown away with the quality. So what's new in Raid? There's a lot happening in Raid this month. To start, Raid's releasing a bunch of awesome new champions, along with a brand new Factions War Crypt for one of my favorite factions, the Shadowkin. It's going to be amazing, and I can't wait for the crypt to open up so I can dive in and see what it's all about. On top of that, there's a ton of New Year events and tournaments, including a special fusion event where you can get one of Raid's newest legendary champions. There's seriously never been a better time to get started, and if you use my link in the description or scan my QR code, you'll get a free starter pack worth almost $30 to kickstart your game. We're talking a free champion, Tyrell, 200k silver, 1 energy refill, 1 XP boost, and 1 ancient shard so you can summon awesome champions right when you get in game. All of this treasure will be waiting for you at the top right of the home screen on the game, and the rewards will only be available for the next 30 days, and they're only available for new players. Once you're in, you can find me under the name JP Stevens 3, and if you're fast, you could possibly join my clan. And it's that easy. Just click the link in the description, and I'll see you in the game. Huge shout out to Raid Shadow Legends for sponsoring this video, and yeah, thank you guys so much for all the support, and enjoy the video.
Now we're about to get into where the hatchet really gets bad. Yeah, right up here. Right up here is where, you know, Chase flipped his, and it's where, you know, you actually start getting into consequences when you start hitting holes, you know. The wind just start getting pulled out. It gets thick up here, so let's get after it. I missed us going across the Daggum Bridge, but I got the GoPro on now. Okay. So this is my first time at the hatchet with the Aztecs. Let's see how we do. Here's a good one. definitely got stuck there. Yeah, probably just wincher. I think it's probably just a wincher. Yes, sir. Dude, these tires are crazy, boys. Holy hell, how the hell did that happen? They just grab. Did you see how I ate out of that? That was crazy. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to get at that. Yeah. My bike hasn't been in sport mode. It felt so powerful right there, dude. I'm telling you, like, it hasn't been in sport. I swear, dude.
You just now put it in sport.
That last hole I hit, it felt weak, and I was like, hold up, and I hit my ITC mode button. I don't know. I might be tripping, you know what I mean? It might be placebo, but... Alright, here he goes. You almost got it. There you go. Lily. Come out that right side. Uh-oh. Pretty sure I know this dude in this KRX coming up, this huge KRX. Yeah, I'm gonna pull you out. Yeah, I'll get it. What's going on? What's up, dude?
Baby, we're trying to meet you. Hey, man, baby. Hey, look here.
Doing good, man. Doing good.
Get that.
Moto Gang got that one.
Yeah, but I've been trying to meet you, dog. Oh, yeah. JP Stevens right here. Deep and dirty out here, baby. Hey. 901 deep and dirty, baby. Deep and dirty, baby. Memphis, Tennessee.
901 deep and dirty. What's going on? Doing good, man. Okay. It should come out, Chase, if you don't just hit in and out. And we yank on it. There you go.
No, I'm just go out. I'm just
Yeah, for sure. No, you're good. I'm Go ahead and send it. Send it. I think it might have been that diff. Who knows? Hopefully it was that drive shaft.
Hey, you win some, you lose some.
Yes, sir.
It's the last drive shaft they made. That.
We got somebody over here in deep on the Audi. All right.
Let me get out of the way.
Back it up and try and come out that left side. Try and eat up that left side. There you go. Yeah. And then hard to the left. There you go. Woo! Yes, sir.
Right here.
Yeah, do that one more time. Try and come out that left side. You almost had it. There you go.
Get down, make the bag go back to mom.
Yeah. Hey, back up and push from this side. Like, put your feet on the bank and push it that way, and you should come on out.
I didn't know they was like that. Damn, make the bag out of there.
I know, right? There you go. He's almost got it. Woo! 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 Hell yeah! Hell yeah! That's what I'm talking about.
It's gonna be in front of the caravan where it's loose at.
You
Break it to nothing.
find out what it was?
Open your drive shaft, man. Hey, man, you gotta send it. Man, what you out here for?
You got to. What you out here? What you get it for? Like nothing. Brown clears is king. Like nothing.
You made it look easy.
I know, right?
Put that down.